Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
Today I'll show how to make this chain loop flower. To do this, I'm using Red Heart Super Saver and a size G hook. To begin, chain 30. Skip the first 3 chains and make 1 double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. And make 1 double crochet in each chain across. Once completed, it should look like this. Chain 3 and turn your work. Make a double crochet in the same space as the chain 3. In each stitch across, make 2 double crochet stitches. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. And continue placing 2 double crochet in each stitch across. At the end, your work will look like this. Leave about a 12-inch tail end for sewing later and cut your yarn. With the pink yarn, place a slip knot on your hook. And then chain 8. 7 and 8. Slip stitch in the next stitch. Chain 8 again for the next loop. 7 and 8. Slip stitch in the next stitch. You'll continue making chain 8 across this entire row. This is what creates the loops in the finished flower. And here's what it looks like for the loop row. Working on the opposite end of that long green tail end, begin rolling the flower like this. I like to roll along the starting chain and match up that edge as I go. Thread a yarn needle through that tail end and go in and out of the flower, trying to catch all the layers. This will secure it and prevent it from unraveling. Then cut and weave in all ends. Sew or hot glue a button to the center if you wish. Now, to make the leaves, I start off with the chain 12. Skip the first chain and make a single crochet in the next chain. Then a half double crochet. Next, a double crochet. Then a treble crochet. In the next 3 chains, we'll make a double treble crochet in each stitch. One, 2, and 3. Now we'll work backwards again, starting with the treble crochet. Then a double crochet, a half double crochet, and finally a single crochet. Chain 1 to begin the edging. All along the edge, we'll do a reverse single crochet stitch. It creates a nice raised edging along the perimeter of the leaf. And when you get to the corner, just slightly rotate your work to continue working on the other side of the leaf. And that's how I make my chain loop flower.